Hi, and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the most common pressurization issues with your Alaskan all-in-one cold plunge, including what causes them and how to fix them safely at home. Pressurization simply means the system is building and maintaining proper water flow so the heating and cooling components can operate correctly. When the system is not fully pressurized, you may notice weak circulation, inconsistent flow, or error messages. The heating and cooling system will not operate until the circulation system is fully pressurized. The airlock valve is located on top of the filter canister inside the filter access compartment. One of the most common causes of pressurization concerns is trapped air within the circulation system. Before starting the plunge, place a towel nearby as water will spray from the relief valve during pressurization. After initial setup, draining and refilling the tub or changing the filter, the system must be repressurized before normal operation can resume. Before powering on the unit, slowly loosen the airlock knob located on top of the filter canister lid. With the relief valve open, power on the plunge and allow the circulation system to begin pushing trapped air out of the plumbing. After a few moments, water will begin sputtering or spraying from the relief valve. This is completely normal during the pressurization process. Once water begins consistently spraying from the valve, tighten the relief knob back down. After closing the valve, allow the system several minutes to fully stabilize and build normal circulation. After closing the valve, allow the system several minutes to fully stabilize and build normal circulation. While the system is running, verify that it is set to normal mode, as the plunge may automatically switch to eco mode after being powered off and back on. When eco mode is enabled, heating and cooling will only operate during the scheduled times configured in the system settings. If the system was recently serviced or the filter was replaced, allowing the plunge several minutes to fully repressurize will often resolve the issue. If circulation has not returned after several minutes, try reopening the airlock valve to release any remaining trapped air, then retighten the valve and allow the system additional time to stabilize. Next, inspect the filter canister assembly. If the filter canister assembly is not sealing properly, the system may draw in air and struggle to build pressure. The filter lid should not be removed while the tub is full of water, as this may cause water to spill from the filter basin. Pay close attention to the filter O-rings. If the O-rings are twisted, pinched, stretched, cracked, or improperly seated, air can enter the system and prevent proper pressurization. Inspect both O-rings within the filter assembly, including the lid O-ring and the airlock valve O-ring. Make sure both O-rings are clean, free from damage, and properly seated in their grooves before reassembly. If either O-ring appears cracked, stretched, flattened, damaged, or is missing entirely, it should be replaced. A dirty or clogged filter can also restrict circulation and prevent the system from pressurizing correctly. Filters should be cleaned regularly and replaced approximately once per year depending on usage and water conditions. If the filter is heavily clogged, deteriorated, or no longer cleaning effectively, it should be replaced immediately. Poor filtration can restrict water flow and allow debris to enter the circulation system, potentially leading to premature component failure. Many owners choose to keep a spare filter on hand. This allows one filter to be cleaned and dried while the other remains in use, helping prevent unnecessary downtime. Replacement filters are available at redwoodoutdoors.com. After inspecting the filter and O-rings, reinstall the filter cartridge and canister lid. When reinstalling the lid, leave the airlock valve open. This allows trapped air to escape and can help prevent additional air from entering the system during reassembly. Press the lid firmly into place, ensuring it is fully seated and secure. Once the lid is installed, secure the casing lock and ensure the locking tab is fully engaged in the corresponding slot. A properly assembled filter housing helps maintain an airtight seal and allows the circulation system to build pressure correctly. Anytime the filter is removed, cleaned, or replaced, the system should be repressurized again before normal operation resumes. Before turning the plunge back on, loosen the airlock knob. Allow the system to push trapped air out until water begins spraying steadily from the valve. Once consistent water flow is present, tighten the valve and allow the system several minutes to stabilize. If normal circulation does not return immediately, try opening the airlock valve again to release any remaining trapped air before tightening it once more. In most cases, normal circulation and operation should return once trapped air has been removed from the system. If you've allowed enough time for pressurization, confirm the plunge is set to normal mode, confirmed the filter is clean, inspected the O-rings, and verified there are no leaks, but the issue still continues, our support team is here to help. When reaching out, please include your product serial number along with photos or videos of the issue whenever possible. This helps our team diagnose the problem more quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching. Routine maintenance and proper startup procedures go a long way in keeping your Alaskan all-in-one running smoothly. Be sure to check out our other support videos for additional troubleshooting and maintenance tips.